Okay, then we should continue this drawing. First we can take this and drag it out so we see everything. And this, zoom in, and this, yeah, then we have everything. Also this don't have brush because it have been, the brush is set on the workbench on the bottom, but we have cut it off the workbench so we don't see it. But at least I would put yellow in here. So then I just make a rectangle. From V. And then I will go down to V in this place. And do similar here. Then I would go from yeah, and down to this V. That's what I think. To this V then. I'm going to take that rectangle, polyline, and then there is a polyline here. And I will give them a brush. It is yellow, solid, and it should be yellow, and it should be 80%, not 50, 80. Then it's more easy to understand. This is out the wall. We have a little bit here. No, this and this. This is up. Why do you show here? So this wall standing on the top of this wall. That's why. And it have been using the bottom modifier to take it down. So the work plane we actually see. I also normally put in the roof, so they indicate how the roof is going in this drawing. Then I don't need to make a new one, only for show the roof. I take this, I go to viewport, and I find layer I want. It's on T. I don't need to scroll down, or what I will see if there comes something I didn't want. Open TTT L. We call it lector. I don't know the English name. Visible layer. It's not possible here now. Cancel. Cancel. And you go to Design Director and turn on the roof. And then I should be able to see them. L, living room. At least I want to have a living room. This roof lector. This one. Not the tiles. They go a little bit extra out in the bottom. Then we need stair 1. Technical don't need. What else we have? We have bedroom. We have bath 2. And we have bedroom 2. And we have dim 2. Now this E, entity marker 2. This is on. Floor 2 is on. Gutter hall 2. Interior door, interior wall. So no kitchen, so living room 2. Picture roof lector. Stair 1. Technical 1, technical field, underlay wing, auto window 2. Okay. Then we have it. Now I come in square millimeter. And I've been and play with it. I don't know. But now you also can see the contour of the roof. it should be done perfect, we would draw a line over this and make it to hidden line, or explode this view and then change it to hidden line. But we still need this arrow and this there. Because now people get one idea about how the house really looks on the roof. This can be misunderstood, so if I drag this down here, I get all roof. Now once you see it, but that's like normal. I don't want to see the box. Then we don't need that circle anymore. Delete, in case we just make a new. Because we should not have more plan, but we need to go now to space unit again. I assume I have been inside here playing with something. It should be in meter, and it should have 2 decimal. Oh, first crash in the drawing. You didn't like that. I just say no, or why did it crash? Only change. Maybe because it wasn't scale. I don't know. I say no. I don't care to save or send a report. Not done anything in the drawing anyway. Then I wait, and I have then to go to this folder. It should be in here, I believe. Yeah, there we have the DBA. And I say delete before I start the drawing again. Then I go start TurboCAD and say yes. Makes no sense that it crashed. But what makes no sense for me is have something for TC. So maybe I should go to model space. I need to put on the layer roof, and I need to change the unit, or if I load my config first, and close. This is on, and then I go to options, space unit, should be in meter, and I have 2 decimal, and OK, and then I crash again, and it's too late to say cancel. That's strange. Delete. Start, and yes. And go to model space, and I save it there. Option, space units, it is in meter and 2. Then I say cancel. I still don't understand why it crashed, but hey ho. This, and then I need to take this back out again. And there. And there. take this out all the way so I can get the roof. And then I go to selection info and viewport, and I need to find out this damn room again. Bedroom 2. There's hall, RPCD, dim to. The reason why they was not here is they wasn't on when I made the view. That's why I need to put it on all the time. Hall 2. Door is there, and door 2 is there. No kitchen 2. Living room 2. No living room 2. I want to have this roof on. So I want to have stair on. Rainwater window 2 and OK. There's no problem now. It was because of entity marker. That's why, I think. Okay, I'll save it now before I do anything else. Save. If we crash, EM2. They don't show here. I need to go and say they should be on. Selection info and E. M2 and OK. They come in square millimeter, even if the drawing was in meter. Last time we go in and check. I can go out to model space and I save, and I take this one and I delete and control Z. Now we're coming up in square meter. Like it should, not the default. But the other one didn't. So then I select them all. I can do that by layer. EM1, EM2, and select by. Delete. Did I hit the delete? There, and control Z. Now they are back to meter. Have EM. They have done the same. Select by. Delete, control Z, and turn the layer off. This there need, I don't know if it need to be, does it show? Yeah, it's showing. But I need to go and make this arrow. This I can just lock down. I need to open stair. Where has stair gone? Yeah. And then I need to find, let's see, no, that's name pointer now. See inside this one? Yeah. I want the arrow fit, I want the polyline. This arrow polyline. Then I go from intersection here, I, to V, to V, to J. And I say finish. I take this and delete. I have this arrow entity. I go selection info, and I select what kind of arrow I want. I normally use this one. On the tail, I use a circle, this one, and I use 300 or 400. Yeah, that's okay. And I wanted to have in the same layers, stair 1. Then I show where I start and where I end. Where I live, we're always walking up the stair. We never go down. So that's all it is. Then I go back to plan, and here we have it. Now people can understand the thing. I don't want to have that visible box. This one. I don't need that circle anymore, pretty sure. So then we can see this like that. I don't think I can make this to be hidden in only this view. And I need to do it in model space, and that will look very funny in when we render. Because it's all viewport, I need to explode it. I don't want to explode. I don't have to. Maybe you guys need to have a dotted line here, a hidden line. Style thing for the roof, and a center line for the ridge. I don't know, but I don't need it. So then this is finished, and I say save. When I go to where was it? On one. Or something with dimension, I noticed. It has got all and everything on here now. Why? Cancel. Did I just save the drawing? Yeah, no, I don't know. I save it. And I close it. And I open again. Yeah, still. I don't want to see, now I put on nearly everything in. On this one, I don't want anything of this scale. Not part 2, not bedroom 2, not dim 0 and 2, none of the E. That's very wrong. It should be possible to take off everything in one go, but it's not. I have to take them one by one. And then you can imagine if there is 200 layers inside here, that is wrong. The whole one should be there, not this. Not this, not this, not this, not that one. No modifier. Not any roof. What's there? Yes, there should be there, storage should be there, technical should be there. No underlay. No window of the board. And not window 2, and that is the bottom. This is what we want to see. It was about the measurement there, I noticed. That is wrong. That's why we explode the dim 1. So we can move this out here. And this should be 1800. And this one also is not correct, right? This one also going to the inside, I don't know why. So I have to make an example drawing and show that is a bug, in my opinion. Plant zero was there. Okay, this is good. Like this is the measurement should be. And here you see this is also much bigger, more easy to see. I want to say that was the double, wasn't it? If I say dim 0 should be on. Dim 0. that dim have 300. This one is 150. Okay, so AUC dimension. I say design, I want to have dim 1 and I want to have dim 2. So I select this and this, no, this, control, no, this, control, this, select that, and there, and the text should be 300. That up. It's a little bit more easy to read. And then I can take off dim 0 and dim 1 because they was okay. Is this one? No. It's in dim 1. Yeah, there is a now. Then I also need, I don't need anything from this, I need everything from first order. This one, I explode, Alt Shift E. I'm pretty sure I did this. This one, I can only, no, I cannot drag it. That's also ASC, isn't it? Yep. Alt Shift E. And then I should be able to drag it. No, only from there. Edit. Take this one first. This thing I had done before. B. That may be in a video part that I cut out. You know. This is at least in correct place. So it's only jumping to the wrong side. For whatever reason, I don't know. This one should be here. You take both. V. Put 2. There's one for this also. This should be in V. This should also be in V. 2 here also. Take this. Select these 2. Drag them over to V. 5308. Yeah, maybe it will. I don't know. That dimension is Alt Shift E. I don't need 2 of the same tune. No, Control Z. I'll take away this instead. Same, this is in this is a 2, I didn't take it with the edit 2. They are pointing there and there. This one is pointing down. 4592, that's to me like a billion stupid measurement. But okay, it's outside the cladding, that's fine. Now this is back again to square millimeter. We want to fix this also. This Alt Shift E, and I want to move this one. Go in there, so that is correct. Then it's this one. That also is correct. Wire cut. Take one for 41 millimeter. This coming down there, but it shows reference point there. Going in there. That is the one to be. And then this thing should also go there. This is on the outside. This is on the outside, and this is on the outside. And this I delete. Something else here. This is maybe a little bit stupid placement. This. So I take edit tool. I can drag the text a little bit outside here. And this is finished. This is Selenium. Yeah, there's no more. This one. No, this is okay. It was in second story, there was double someplace. Okay, I say, I'm careful now because it had crashed. I don't understand why it crashed, but hey. Take away this and put on plan 2. This one is the same, this one is the same. I don't need it. Alt-Shift-E. Take away them. So then it's better place for the text when we come with the window. Maybe you can look a little bit more nice. This explode, Alt-Shift-E. Delete. Go back again the millimeter. I don't touch it. No. And we can take off this and we can say that was the EM1. They are also in millimeter. Take this off now. Take on this, and that is show correct. No double line. So then I go to plan 0. Zoom extent. I don't need this anymore, so delete. Go to plan 1. Zoom extent. This looked okay, except from this. This I will not touch anything more before I should print it. And this also look nice now. Then we have left to we can make an entity marker more for the window, door and window. Then I go back to model space. There is nothing here, so then I just close foundation. I put on plan 1. And we make an entity marker. Then I go to style. Take this a little bit down. I go to property set. Area. That's only one, yeah. Then I say make new. There can be door, window. B. Okay. Yeah. I say rename instead of new. Control Z. Excuse me. For sure, I closed the drawing now. That's funny. No. I did save it just before we started to do something. Now it's back again in meter. Who says should be in peace? We have this is still here. This is still there, and we are on first floor. That's what we want. And I want to have a property set. I want to have a new, and that should be named door window. Okay. and the door window. If you go to doors and ABCD door, and I think that's window. And window, that is OK. And then we need to make a new definition. Area EM. Entity markdown. View. Area 1 is the block. Area EM. We need to make a new of this. We call it DV underscore EM. I want to have DV underscore EM. Underscore would be nice, thank you. EM. And you should use a block. We have area 1, and I want to copy it. Now I want to copy it there, and that should be then DV underscore 1. Okay. What do I want to know there? I go to edit. It is from